Dear students, good morning, namaste. The online classes, PU2, it is coaching for CET and also useful for JE also, of course. And we are in the straight line chapter and we started the objective also. We solved 6 problems in the previous video. Now we are going to solve the 7th problem. Already I sent a list of problems daily or otherwise 2 days or 3 days we will give. I will send separately. Okay, Nana? You take that one and you see the problems, a list of the problems. The 7th one is the equation to the line bisecting the points. We are given 2 points and having its intercepts on x and y axis are in the ratio 2:1. Okay, na? You see, it is an objective. Always, is there any short method to solve it? We have to see, observe it. The required line is, this is the 2 points A, B, na? These 2 points, one is 3, -4, another one is 5, 2. It bisects, means like this. It is not a perpendicular bisecting, simply bisecting. It is passing through the midpoint. What is the midpoint? 5 plus 3 by 2. 2 minus 4 by 2. Okay, na? Is it clear? x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. It is 4, -1. So C point is 4, it is passing through that one. And whose intercepts are in the ratio 2:1. Here is A is to B is equal to 2:1. That is the concept. You see, here the short method we have to think about it. The required line is, this is the required line, not AB. Required line is passing through this point. In the option, the required line is there. If you, which option is satisfied, this point is required line we can get. But unfortunately, you see, x plus y, 4 minus 1, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. We may think this is a required line. But here also, 2x, 2 into 4, 8. Okay, minus of minus 9. So, it is also satisfied by this equation. Even this one also, you see, it is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, we cannot say. We cannot use that short method. But we may use what is the ratio of intercepts. We have to find the intercepts which is equal to 2:1 also like that. But better to solve in this manner. It is product of ends and product of middles. 2b is equal to a. So there is a relation, a is equal to 2b. So we are in the intercept form. So the required line is like this. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. It's better to use this type of methods. It is passing through 4, -1. Okay, na? So we may get it is 4 by a minus 1 by b is equal to 1. But what is the relation? Here a is equal to 2b, na? So 4 by 2b minus 1 by b is equal to 1. Any confusion? The required line equation is this one because we are in the intercepts. So intercept form. Here it is passing through this point. So x 4, y is -1. And again a is equal to 2b. I am substituting here. It is very clear. It is 2b LCM. It is 4. Okay, na? Okay, na? Or otherwise you do it. 2 2s are 2 by b minus 1 by b is equal to 1. Okay, na? It is 2 minus 1 by b is equal to 1. That implies b is equal to 1. So b value is 1. Okay. Okay, na? Any confusion? You do whatever it may be the method to simplify. B is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to 2b, na? 2 into 1, that is 2. So, a value is 2, b value is 1. We substitute in this equation, it is x by 2 plus y by 1. b is 1, a is 2, is equal to 1. That is x plus 2y is equal to 2. X plus 2 LCM is equal to 2. So, the C is the correct answer. Okay, na? Third option is correct. Like that. And we will go to the next one. The next one is next is 8th one. If the following lines farthest from the horizon. It is also a lengthy process. I have to find because 4 lines are given. Which line is, there options are lines only, line equations. Which line is farthest from horizon is asked. So A bit, A option is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Is minus c by root of a square plus b square. Is the perpendicular length from horizon, farthest from horizon. That is, we have to find the distance, permanent distance from horizon to this line here. So this is minus 1 by root of 1 plus 1 a square, coefficient of x, a square, 1 square, minus 1 square also 1. So it is 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2. Similarly, B is 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Here also we use minus the same formula, minus c by root of 2 square is 4 plus 1. So it is 3 by root 5. It is modulus. Length is always modulus. So it is 3 by root 5. C1 is also x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here also it is 2 by root of 1 plus 4 only. 1 square 1, 2 square is 4. It is 2 by root 5. Here is the farthest. It is somewhat having some length more than this one. The line the B is at a farthest distance from this one. Comparing this one, the 3 by root 5, whereas this is 2 by root 5. And D is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies 2 by root of 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 by root 2. This is root 2 by root 2 is root 2. Root is 1.4. Okay, na? But here it is 3 by 2 point something. Is 2 by 2 point something. This is having more distance. Here it is 1 by 1.4. Okay, na? So I think the A is the least. Then this one C is least. Next one is B. Next one is D. So here D is the having the farthest distance from the horizon. So we may take this one, D1. Okay, na? Like that. It is all arithmetic. You can easily solve it. Now, ninth problem. A line is passing through 2, 2 and perpendicular to the line. Then we have to find the intercepts. Y-intercept is asked. 3x plus y is equal to 3. Slope m is equal to minus 3 by 1 is minus 3. Minus a by b, m is equal to minus a by b formula. Okay, now by using like that, minus 3 by 1 is minus 3. So m is equal to minus 3. Yes, okay. But you see, the slope of, we are asked slope of required line. Here the given line, this is given line, but we are asked to find the line passing through 2, 2 and perpendicular, like this now. It is 3x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. A line is perpendicular and is passing through 2, 2. That is, its slope is, that is what I find. Slope of required line is minus 1 by m because they are perpendicular. Product of slopes is minus 1 like this. So it is minus 1 by minus 3. It is 1 by 3. Don't confuse. So this is the slope of a required line. Then what is the equation to required line? Is y minus y1. This is x1 and y1. It is 1 by 3 of x minus x1. 3y minus 6 is equal to x minus 2. X minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4 or plus 4. It will right. But here you see, we need to find the intercept. Y-intercept is asked. Y-intercept. X minus 3y is equal to 4. We are not asked to find the equation of line. But it is needed to find the equation of line. It is x. What is y-intercept? Direct formula is there then. Y-intercept is equal to minus c by b. A formula is there. It is minus 4 by, what is b? Minus 3. Ax plus by plus c. It is 4 by 3. So the answer is the option. Look at it. How much concept is there. I have to find the slope of our given line, and we have to find the slope of required line, which is negative reciprocal, minus 1 by m. Okay, passing through the point and having the slope means we can find the equation of line. Through that one we can find the intercept, y-intercept. Okay, the 10th one. The equation of locus of a point whose abscissa, it is abscissa and ordinate are always equal. A very good concept. Simple problem, but you see, y is suppose, let the p h comma k be any point on the locus, okay na? Locus means a curve. On that curve the p point is any point. It is moving. Locus means a different concept. Locus means it is a set of points. It is a curve. You take any point on that curve that satisfies the condition. What is the condition? Here the condition is abscissa. Abscissa is equal to, abscissa means x coordinate, is equal to ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate. That means h is equal to k. It is a general point on the locus. X coordinate is abscissa h, y coordinate is k. Okay, right. H is equal to k. But the condition is okay. Again you write on this h is equal to x and k is equal to y. Why? Because y are writing like this means you generalize it. It is a p point. Generalization means that p point is moving on the curve so that always the coordinates, that means x coordinate, y coordinates are equal. When they are equal, here only we can understand. Okay, x is equal to y. That means y minus x is equal to 0. You see, diagrammatically I will prove. Is the R is there? The x axis, y axis. You take any point which is making 45 degrees. It is 1 comma 1 unit length, 1 unit. Okay, now will you agree? Or suppose this is 2 comma 2, this is 3 comma 3, this is minus 1 comma minus 1, this is minus 2 comma minus 2, like this. So x coordinate, y coordinates both are abscissa and ordinates are equal. Wherever you take a point on this line, any general point, that is h comma k. That is h is equal to k. That means generalizing x is equal to y. So y minus x is equal to 0 is the locus, equation to the locus. Okay, na? With the condition abscissa and ordinates are equal. Okay, na? So here this is correct. B1. You agree? Right. Next, 11th one. Okay. Next, 11th problem. The 11th problem is, you say, one of the equations of the line is passing through the point inclined 60 degrees with the line given. Here is, in the 4 options, one line is there. That is passing through 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. You see, if you substitute 3 comma minus 2, because this one of these lines, one is passing through this one. That line is again making 60 degrees with given line. That is the concept. You see, easily we can hear, because 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is not equal to root 3. Okay, now, you see, yeah, 3 comma minus 2 should satisfy the equation. It is x minus y is given. X minus y is equal to root 3. Na? That implies 3 minus of minus 2 is root 3. So this is wrong. A is wrong. B, it is x plus 2 is equal to 0. What is x? 3 plus 2 is equal to 0 is also wrong. 3 plus 2 is 5. So C bit. C is x plus y is equal to 0. That implies 3 minus 2. 3 plus minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 0. It is also wrong. 3 minus 2 is 1. So fourth D option is y plus 2 is equal to 0. What is y? Y is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2. 0 is equal to 0. So it satisfies. It is correct. Okay, now like that we can easily. But sometimes 2 equations may be given. Okay, now suppose here only suppose here x minus y is equal to 5. Suppose it is given 5 just like. Then that equation also satisfies by this point. So at that time we get some time. That means we have to filter the options. Of course it is okay. For that purpose we have to know the method also. I will say that. This is okay, it is enough. But I want to explain the method also. What is the given line? The root 3x plus y is equal to 1. That is the given line. Slope is m2 is equal to minus root 3 by 1. Minus a by b. It is minus root 3. So slope m2 of second line. That is that means like this. It is m2 second line. It is the first line m1 we assume. We don't have. But the angle is 60 degrees. So tan 60 is equal to root 3. I mean m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 it is root 3 of m1 is we don't know m1. m2 is already there. Minus or minus plus root 3 by 1 plus put in model 1 plus m1 into minus 2. That is 1 minus root 3 m1. Okay, now by simplification it is plus or minus root 3 of 1 minus root 3 m1 is equal to m1 plus root 3. It is root 3 minus 3 m1 if you take plus. It is m1 plus root 3. Or otherwise if you take minus 1 plus minus not minus 1 minus root 3 and plus minus into minus plus. If you take minus, it is 3, m1 is equal to m1 plus root 3. Directly, it is 4m1, it is cancels. So, here m1 is equal to 0. This is one equation. But here it is 2m1 is equal to 2 root 3. m1 is equal to here, you can don't confuse, m1 is equal to root 3. Here it is root 3. Two values are there. m1 is equal to 0 or m1 is equal to root 3. Okay, na? So, just here is passing through that point. Okay, na? Y minus of minus 2. Passing through the point. Y minus y1 is equal to m of m is equal to 0. 0 of x minus 3. So, okay, na? Y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Having passing through this point and having the slope m1. One time 0, one time root 3. Here it is y plus 2 is equal to 0 and everything is 0. So, we get the same equation. Okay, no? Like that. Another one is neglected, not given. Of course, if it is given, maybe it is also correct. Okay, no? Like this. It is a conceptual thing. It is a shortcut method. Next, this is over. Next, 12th one. The lines, two lines are given are perpendicular. That's a very good concept. Two lines are given. A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 is perpendicular to A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. This is one line, this is one line. They are perpendicular to each other. That means its slope is say m1. Its slope is m2 is equal to minus 1. This is a condition. Is not it? What is the slope of this line? Is minus a1 by b1 into what is the slope of second line? Minus a2 by b2 is equal to minus 1. Minus into minus plus a1 a2 by b1 b2 is equal to minus 1. a1 a2 is equal to minus b1 b2. That is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. So here a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is this correct one. We're gonna like this. The condition, if the lines are perpendicular, okay na? Here the lines are perpendicular like that one. I will tell. It's one. I will give some extra information about these lines. Please observe me. L1 is equal to, say it is A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal. L2 is equal to A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. Okay, na? If L1 parallel to L2, if they are parallel, that means slopes M1 is equal to M2 na, minus A1 by B1 is equal to minus A2 by B2 na. Minus minus plus A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. It's okay na? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Clear? If L1 perpendicular to L2, already I solved. It is A1 A2 plus B1 B2. Okay na? Already we solved. The condition is M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Before this one I solved. So it is for the perpendicularity, it is for a parallelism. Suppose L1 is identically equal to L2. That means, what is the meaning means? They are coincident lines. Coincident lines. Coincident lines. But that means, suppose this is x plus 2y plus 3. A1 is 1, A2 is B1 is 2 and C1 is 3. Here coincident lines means it is 2x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. Don't confuse that. Simply I am multiplying with 2. 2x, 2 into 2, 4y plus 6. At the time they are called as the same lines. Simply you write they are same lines. Coincident lines are same lines. Here the condition is 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. Correct? 3 by 6 is 1. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C. Okay, now coincident lines, same lines. Simply A1 by A2, B1 by B2 is a parallel. If three constants, if you take it, that ratio is a coincident lines. Okay, now that is the difference. Okay, now we'll go to next, the 13th problem. See, 13th problem is three lines are concurrent. What are the three lines? 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 5x plus ay minus 3 is equal to 0. It is 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now, if they are concurrent, already I told about this one in the previous video. Concurrent lines means they are passing through one point. They have a common point. All the three lines are passing through one common point. Then the condition is determinants 3 minus 1 minus 2. 5 a, this is a, and minus 3. This is 2, 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. That determinant is 0. 3 of minus 3a plus 3. Row and column deleted. A into minus 3a minus of minus plus 3. It is minus of minus 1 of row and columns deleted, minus 15 minus of minus 6. It is plus minus 2 of row and columns deleted, 5 minus 2a is equal to 0. Once again, you observe, while we are applying the arithmetic, you be careful. Minus of minus 1 is minus 15, minus and minus plus 6. Minus 2, 5 minus 2a. It is minus 9a minus 9 plus, and that is minus 1 plus 6. It is minus 10 plus 4a. Plus 4a minus 10. It is minus plus same. So it is minus plus 4a minus 5a is there. Minus 9 plus 4. That is. And here it is minus 24, 34. Minus 34 is there. Minus 9, minus 15. Minus 24, minus 10. And plus 6 is there. So it is minus 28, I think. It is minus 28 is there. So I think somewhere it is, I think, wrong. By taking the question, I don't know. 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 5x plus ay minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. 3 minus 1 minus 2. 5a minus 3, 2, 1 minus 3. It is minus 3a minus or minus plus minus or minus plus 1. It is minus 15 plus 6. Minus 24. You can, is it correct? But I will see. You see, anything, the question is wrongly given. Just I will verify and I will tell it, please. You see, up to this one is correct. Okay, now? Just. Okay, here observe me, a small mistake is there. 3 into minus 3a is minus 9a. 3 into 3 plus 3 is an arithmetic mistake, please. Okay, now plus 9. Okay, now this is 9 plus 6, 15, minus 15, it cancels. So minus 10 only is there. It is a minus 10 only. Minus 9a plus 4a is minus 5a. But here is a minus 10. This 6 plus 9 is 15 cancels. So it is 5a is equal to minus 10 and a is equal to minus 2. So this is correct. Question is correct, no doubt. Here, the arithmetic is over. Now it is clear. Okay, na? Thank you, na? Okay, thank you.